morning, Bart and our Bean family. This Sunday morning we are going to make pancakes and bacon. So I'm going to be using my HEB buttermilk pancake and waffle mix. I had an incident with the syrup the other day, so it kind of spilled. So this is our syrup, light syrup. And then I bought the spreadable butter from HEB. And of course HEB bacon. So check us in a little bit when I'm doing all my mixing and stuff, because we're waiting for the stove to heat. And yeah, we'll tune in just a little bit.
Okay, before you use your blackstone grill, you gotta clean it. I cleaned it when I did after I used it the other day, but it's good to clean it when you start over again. So what I do is just coat it with spray. And then you're going to let that sit there and burn for a while and smoke. And once it starts smoking, then you wipe it down and you'll see all the black come off of it. So now I have to wait till it starts smoking, which will probably take about 5-10 minutes.
You can see the clouds and the reflection of our stove.
It means it's clean.
Yeah. We got a whiny baby.
These dogs.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to smoke up on there, so now we're going to start wiping it down.
Okay. See, it starts smoking now. Now you could clean it off. You could clean it off with your hand, like this, but it'll get hot. So that's why I use this little scraper. Now it's clean.
Alright.
So that came out.
We got a clean blackstone now. Now I'm going to start throwing on the bacon.
Let's put 1 cup of pancake mix. And it says 3/4 cups of water. If you didn't notice yet, I had to mute out some of this audio because the wind was kind of blowing from, I guess, from the beach side. So every time I turned one direction, you'd hear a little wind rustle. So that's why you hear the music coming on and it getting silent and stuff like that. But basically what I'm doing here is I'm measuring the water and the pancake mix. So you're going to put 1 cup of pancake mix and 3/4 cups of water, so it's always a little less water than pancake mix. And I believe that what I just made there made 5 pancakes. Probably if you made it a little thicker, which I think I should have done, you'd probably get 4. So 4 and actually 5 is excellent for us. 2 apiece and 1 for Billy.
Alrighty, so that's all for the pancake mix. Gonna flip this bacon and then we'll show you while we're cooking the pancakes. Bye.
You're gonna save that grease from your bacon so you could use it on your pancakes. Because bacon grease is good. Lubricates the heart.
It doesn't. Where people get put on a torvastatin.
So your heart is always pumping.
On Plavix.
That good old grease in there.
called cholesterol. My honey makes the best pancakes. That's why I always let him make them at home. And now here.
I actually made them kind of watery. These might not be as good. Look a little watery. It'll work.
It'll do.
As long as it's the HEB brand.
Yeah.
The Walmart brand. So
no.
You gotta make those perfect.
I need the Walmart brand. Last time when they came out, they taste like cardboard.
With put cardboard in it. I made them a little watery, so they're going to be a little flat, but it's alright.
Wearing his cap today that says retired.
I'm going to have some flapjacks. Not flapjacks.
Flapjacks. Oh, they're poofing up.
Maybe some crepes. Crepes. Crepes.
Debbie knows about crepes. Debbie uses them as tortillas.
Crepe. And when you're cooking pancakes, what you're looking for is the bubbles. Once you get enough bubbles, it's pretty close to flipping.
Funny story about my sister and pancakes or crepes in Vegas. Oh, look at that pretty golden brown.
Saw how that one had all the bubbles?
Yes, sir.
You're going to get really what you're looking for, bubbles in the middle. I think this one's probably going to be next.
All this is due to working in food service when he worked in the prison.
You still have to make. Well, how many did we have? Depends which one I was working at. If I was working at the bigger one, maybe 2,000 pancakes for breakfast.
Jeez.
The smaller one, maybe 1,000. Now we got burnt a little bit.
That's alright.
Cold spot right there. Yeah, every grill is going to have a cold spot. Gotta find out where it is.
That's why I have foil paper right here. To block some of the wind because the wind's coming in from this angle. So we have it covered there. Alrighty, so those are our pancakes. We'll show you our plated product here in just a little bit.
Okay, here's the plated product. Kathy's pouring her syrup.
Looks good.
Ooh, the butter's starting to move. Look at that. That's good. When the butter starts getting warm and dripping off. Ooh. Somebody's over there waiting for his.
Let me give him a bacon.
And Scrappy's gonna get his piece too. We named him Scrappy.
Got it.
Scrappy got his. Oh, I got him perfect. Scrappy got his pancake too. Billy got a pancake. Baby Cat got a pancake. BB got a pancake. Everybody got a pancake today. And he's gone.
off.
Alright, all of y'all that think we just eat, sleep, and go to the beach, No, we're going to do a lot more on this trip. Just kind of seems like that the first couple of videos. But actually, we're going to a family member's house right now, and we are going to watch the Cowboy game. Kathy's family are big Cowboy fans. I am not. So, we're going to load up the car, and we'll go watch this game, and we're not going to post none of that video, but when we come back, guess where we're going? Yep, you guessed it. We're back at the beach. Fish on. I haven't been to the beach for, golly, over maybe 2 years. So, you got to forgive me if I want to be out on the beach almost every single day. Plus, we live, I think we live, what, 200, 300 miles away from the beach? And we don't get this that often, and actually we don't get that much water anywhere around Uvalde. So, you know, I'm out here trying to get the most out of it. And Cowboy game went good. They won. We did leave a little late to go to the game, but you know, it was 12:30. But I don't care. You know, it's we're at the beach. We're on Beach Island time, so you know, forgive us if we are late for some of this stuff. But you know, we're just out here relaxing.